the way the world works is changing. Today there are over 4.3 million digital nomads across the globe, working in whichever country they like, online. It's a lifestyle that allows you to explore incredible places, socialize with people from around the world, and delve into fascinating new cultures. And there's one place that has it all: Malta. This Mediterranean island boasts the EU's fastest growing economy, nationwide 5G, and counts English as an official language. It's a country deeply rooted in history, yet is at the forefront of modernity. It's a place for those with a taste for adventure, with over 300 days a year of glorious sunshine and more memorable nights in between. It's time to make the most out of the nomad lifestyle. This is Malta. Welcome to your new workplace.